Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn sketching from zero and don't know where to start in, then this video is for you. Many people think sketching needs talent, but that's not true. Sketching needs a skill and skills improve by the practice. Then start this video and watch till end. So the first thing you need to remember is the importance of line. Let's start with a line. Line are the foundation of sketching. Before drawing faces or object, practice straight line, curved line, light and dark lines. Good line control helps you sketch look clean and confident. Always draw lightly in the beginning. The second most important thing is the importance of shapes. Now let's talk about the step. Everything around the ox made of simple shapes. For example, face like circles. You can make a face like circle or oval. Nose are like triangle. Eyes are like ovals. Body like a rectangle and cylinder. And if you learn shapes, sketching becomes easy. Never jump directly into the details. First draw the basic shapes, then add the details. This will improve your sketching day by day. And the third important thing is observation skills. Observation is more important than drawing fast. Look carefully at size, proportion, distance between parts, and train your eyes before you train your hand. Then the fourth important thing is art materials for a beginner. What are the art material that a beginner should use in making sketch? So the basic things are HB pencil, 2B and 4B pencil, normal eraser, sharpener, and any plain drawing sheet, and this will be better for a beginner. Pencil holding and pressure is also very important, because when you hold the pencil lightly, that will make your sketch more better. And never and don't press harder, because light pressure helps easy correction, clean sketch, better shading. Dark line comes at the end, not at the first. So sketch at a very light shading. And the sixth important thing is to shading basic. You must shade the basic thing first. Start with light to dark shading, pencil sketch stroke in one direction, smooth blending and finger blending, or you can use tissue in the time of blending. The seventh most important thing is you must add a daily practice routine, because practice daily for 15 to 30 minutes you can improve your line, and you can make line for 5 minutes or shape for 5 minutes. One simple object or a face you can draw, and this practice make you perfect. We know a statement that practice make a man perfect, because consistency is more important than perfection. So always be in a consistency mode. Now we know about how a beginner must start a sketch. We will talk about what are the most common beginner mistakes. So the first one is don't compare you with others. Erase again and again is the most common mistake of a beginner. Expect perfection quickly is also one major beginner mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, but doing mistake continuously is not a part of your life. So learn and try to learn. And the most important thing is always stay impatient and enjoy your art, because art is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process you are doing, not just the result. If you practice regularly, improvement is guaranteed. So if you are serious about learning sketching, start with basic, stay consistent, and trust the process. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because more art tutorial are coming soon. So stay tuned and Jai Jagannath.